Hey guys, what's going on? Another show, another day. All right. Basically we're just gonna be talking about t-shirts. It's always about t-shirt designing. Come on. But just another day. All right, I'll let you know what's going on. So currently I have a job lined up, right? So once this job is done, I have another one lined up, which is actually good, right? So, um, the good news is with these jobs lined up, it's gonna pay for this machine right here. That's this one right here that showed you yesterday. Um, but while I'm getting things set, I got something going on in the oven, right? The convention oven is DTF prints. Let me show you what's happening. Hold on 1 second. All right, cool. So it's done. Eesh, steamy. Yikes. Steamy. But yeah, so they done. That one looks a little suspect. I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit. That one is completely done. Gotta leave that one for a little bit. Wait. Oh man, I messed up. This one has no powder. No powder. All right, it is what it is. Powder. Done. That one though, it's questionable. I don't know what happened, but either way, another day. I'm trying to be as active as I can be and showing you guys what's going on in my daily life and the whole shop thing, whatever. But so give me a second. I gotta get them out, see what's going on. So you know what? Let me just leave them. Leave them. Let me get one out anyways. Hold on. All right. Bad development. So this came out great, right? This is it right here in the back. So that's like a spaceship because I have a I'm gonna do a series on like spaceships and stuff like that. But anyways, um not a series, it's just I don't know how to describe it. Whew. Anyways, um this is amazing actually. So yeah, bam. But yeah, so all this is just an image of when I do a I'm gonna talk about SpaceX, Elon Musk, all that stuff, and I'm gonna make a shirt after talking about it. So this is for it. So I've been doing segments where it's like I make the video, and then immediately after making the video, I go in and I just focus on like making a shirt. So I can do news, shirt, and it's a combination, right? So yeah, there we go. Yep. So yeah, so it becomes a combination of news and shirt because that's what I do. I do t-shirt designing, so it makes sense, right? So now what's happening is I've been doing these images, setting them up, getting them ready, and then when I'm talking about a series, when I'm talking about something, right? Let's say something, I have a shirt design that goes with it, and then now I can talk about it, make a shirt about it, right? So that's basically what I'm doing. I was supposed to do a live today. Again, I didn't do the live, but it's cool. So I'm gonna these two, no, these three that's in there, they didn't heat up so great, so I'm gonna redo it. All right, cool. So I have those in there, and we're gonna focus on getting those done. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you what happened, right? Because I have to do real time. So I had done the image, right? So as you can see, right, this part is good, right? But because I put it too close to the heat, this is what happened. So it's actually like it crumpled over the heat. So my next stage of what I'm gonna do is basically this, right? I'm gonna reprint it, put some powder on it, then get it going, and then that's gonna be it. All right. But I'm trying to do a short segment of these vlogs What's happening is I have orders coming in, two so far. One is like around 10, front and back. And then the other one I have is like about 100. I think it's 100 t-shirts, 100 mugs. So I gotta get ready for those. So that's why I haven't done the live, because I'm prepping my machine, getting new machine, making sure everything runs smoothly. So I don't have the hiccup of what the white toner printers tend to do. When you do so many prints with the white toner printer, for some reason, the colors are off, or it doesn't print completely, or um it just doesn't print at all. These issues do happen with DTF, no matter what DTF printer you have. I don't care who it is, it happens. Or the white might be off and you have to recalibrate it. So I don't use the white anymore, but still issues happen. So that's why I got the white toner printer, so I can alleviate myself from these issues. And then we're gonna get it going. All right. So we're gonna get back to lives. I'm thinking about just doing it at night, because during the day it's becoming frustrating and hard, because I got stuff I gotta do, and then I'm back in school, so I gotta do stuff for school. Um, I still got orders coming in, full time job, family, and who knows what else is coming. But either way, I gotta focus on growth. So addition is built, way expanded, and now it's time for growth. Orders are coming in, so it is what it is, right? All right, like and subscribe, Levi Apparel. Um, yeah, so when I do the live, I'm gonna focus on this, get it going. That's when I talk about like Elon Musk and all that stuff, what they doing, SpaceX and all these other things. I'm gonna make a shirt right after the segment is done. All right, cool. Like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Wow, this time I hit 7 minutes. All right, peace.